6 months ago, I did something that half my friends said was brilliant and the other half said was insane. I replaced my business receptionist with AI. Not as a test, not as a backup, as my primary way of answering every single call that comes into my business. And after handling over 10,000 calls, the results weren't what anyone expected. I'm Dave, a VP at Precision Data Strategies. And today I'm showing you the actual numbers, the real mistakes, and the one thing nobody tells you about AI customer service. Here's where this started. I run an AI automation company. We build voice agents for plumbers, contractors, people who can't afford to miss calls. And I was drowning between client calls, prospect calls, spam calls, which were taking up hours of my day. I was spending more time answering phones than running my business. I had 3 options. 1. Hire a receptionist. Cost me $4,000 a month. 2. Let everything go to voicemail, which I tried, and watched my conversion rate absolutely tank. 3. Use the exact AI technology one was building for my clients on myself. So that's what I did. Now, I'm not gonna lie and say this was plug-and-play simple. First, I built an AI voice agent using a platform called Retail AI connected to my business phone number. I programmed it to handle 5 main scenarios: new prospects, existing clients, spam calls, appointment changes, and after-hours calls. The spam detection is interesting. When it hears phrases like Google listing or SEO services, it politely ends the call and blacklists the number. The setup cost me about $500 in time and runs $300 a month. Compare that to $4,000 a month for a human who needs bathroom breaks. Okay, so I launched this thing, and the first week? Disaster. Not because the AI didn't work. The problem was me. I didn't trust it. By week 3, I looked at the metrics. Calls answered 100%. Spam calls wasting my time, 0. The AI was handling 85% of calls completely on its own. 6 months in, 10,000 calls. Nearly 3,000 spam calls blocked. That's 18 full work days I didn't spend talking to scammers. I spent $1,800 to help generate $380,000. The future isn't humans or AI. It's humans and AI. If you found this valuable, subscribe. Thanks for watching.